Bonjour tout le monde. If you're here for the first time, I'm Christine Cam, founder of Simply French Online and creator of the Real French Method. I help you speak French easily so you can have real conversations. That means rewarding, effective, adventurous learning, rapidly building your confidence in speaking French. I do this in free lessons, private lessons, and my superb conversation group, Conversation Café. Today we're on lesson 3, Vous aimez, and at the end of this you'll be able to start passing your opinions in French. It is a great little taster of what we do in our learning. So let's move on. So saying that you like something, you're going to ask first, vous aimez? Vous aimez? Do you like? Now at the moment you haven't got a huge bank of things to ask what you like. So generally, if you're in the house, you can practice this by picking up something. I've got the chocolates in front of me. Here we go. And basically you can hold this and say, vous aimez? And that is beautiful French on its own. Vous aimez? Do you like? Now, let's practice the French. J'aime, 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 j'adore, j'adore, j'adore. Je m'amuse à, je m'amuse à. That's good with a verb, that one. It doesn't work with objects. Je préfère, je préfère. Notice how there's an accent on the first E. It just changes the sound, so it goes E, going up, and down is air. Je préfère. Almost like two eyebrows looking sorry for themselves. Je préfère. And even the sound goes up, then down. Je préfère. Je préfère. Oh, je n'aime pas trop. Je n'aime pas trop, non. Je n'aime pas trop. A polite way of saying, no, I'm not keen on something. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. And je déteste. There's that E again with the acute accent on. Je déteste. Je déteste. Okay, and more like je déteste. So, we're going to now look at pointing at one of these and see if you can actually guess which one it is. The thing is, the words are in front of you, so what do? You can put your hand up so that you can block it and just see me moving the mouse, or you can put some paper over the screen. Here we go. Je m'amuse à. Je m'amuse à. J'aime. J'aime. Je déteste. Je déteste. J'adore. J'adore. Je n'aime pas trop. Je n'aime pas trop. Pas trop, non. Je n'aime pas trop. Je n'aime pas. Je n'aime pas. Je préfère. Je préfère. Now, one thing to notice is that when you have the negative, if you look at j'aime is I like, and je n'aime pas is I don't like, you've got two markers, ne and pas, and that helps you turn something into I don't like. This is just a marker to say not on its way. It's reminding you that there's a negative coming. But the French often miss it out. So if you want to speak real French, you'll go j'aime pas. J'aime pas trop. J'aime pas. And there you have it. So what can you do to remember these? Well, you do need to repeat the pronunciation. That's because you're getting your mouth around the sounds. They're new sounds. You're reading as well, which gives you some visuals. If you want to screenshot and print, if you can, these actual symbols, you can put them around the house and play treasure hunts with them with younger children, and when they find it they can try and say the French, or you can stick them onto things after tomorrow and say if you like it or not, or just ask, vous aimez. One thing that you can add here, that's not on here, is tu aimes. If you're with your family, tu aimes is far more familiar and you might prefer that one. So for now, learn the opinions. You can act out some actions because you're not ready for those yet in this series of lessons, but you'll be doing that tomorrow. So things like playing football and reading. So you can act it out. In the upcoming mini lessons, you'll learn more words to say what you like and invite others to join you. So it's going to be more fun the more you learn, and you can then say more. So what you can ask is tu aimes? And then you can act something out, just for now. Merci, à la prochaine, see you tomorrow. Bonne journée tout le monde.